Hello, and welcome to the tutorial for customizing iQ-4CLOUD. Log into your system and open the viewer. Then click the gear icon at the top right for Settings. In the Settings menu, you can toggle bitmap and text overlays, pin and unpin the toolbar and series preview bar, enable or disable embedded shutters, and choose whether to use automatic tiling. Enabling automatic tiling prompts the system to automatically choose the best grid to present all the images in a series, depending on the number of images within. For processing, there are different ways to optimize your viewing experience. The default mode is the Lossy Diagnostic Server mode. Lossy Diagnostic mode uses a mathematical compression algorithm that results in no loss of visual fidelity and is fit for diagnostic use according to the standards of the FDA, European Union, and TGA guidelines. This is the fastest diagnostic mode for image transmission. The only drawback is a small delay on center windowing. If you want to view mammograms, for legal reasons in the United States, you must use the lossless server mode or client mode. In client mode, a copy of the image will be uploaded to the client, and all operations will be done locally. The loading time for client mode takes a bit longer, but processing is done immediately, as if executing a thick client locally. Finally, there is the non-diagnostic server mode. You should not see any difference in image quality in this mode, but the compression ratio exceeds legal requirements in the United States and European Union. This mode is ideal for creating reference images or for use in certain other countries. Scope sets what will appear in the center window. By default, it's set to display to the image level, but can be changed to series level. The scout line's weight can be changed between light and bold. Light is recommended for low-resolution monitors, and bold for high-resolution monitors. Font size and UI language can be changed to your liking. If you work in an area with a language that doesn't use Latin characters, under the character set setting, you can choose your default characters, which will then be used in your structured reports. To finalize your changes, click Save and restart the viewer. Thank you for listening to our Advanced User Settings Guide for iQ-4CLOUD.